Alright, so good morning everyone. Welcome back to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, October the 13th, and it is 8:26 a.m. Eastern Time. So I will now do the break number 341, which is a certified, Panini certified 2011-12 brand new box. And the serial number is NE93888650. Alright, so I wish you guys good luck. Pack number one. Base. Immortals for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Grant Fuhr. Number out of 500. Base. Pack number two. For the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne, number out of 25. And it's a mirror prime. Nice one. Base. Pack number three. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Eternals, Felix Potvin. Base. Base. Freshman signatures for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Condra. Base. Pack number five. Masked Marvels for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Pack number six. All base pack. Pack number seven. Mirror red for the Carolina Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. Number out of 199. Base. Pack number 8. Base, 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 base. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jordan Stahl. Number out of 99. And it's a certified fabric of the game. Base. Pack number 9. Base. Seems like a all base pack. And the last pack, number 10. Base, 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 base. And we have for the Edmonton Oilers, Tyler Hall, number out of 399. Certified fabric of the game. Base. Checklist and empty box. Alright, let me just double check this base once. Alright, they're all base. And on this break number 341, we got hits from Pittsburgh, Jordan Stahl. Carolina, Eric Stahl. Montreal, Carey Price. Ottawa, Eric Conrad. Toronto, Felix Potvin. Anaheim, Teemu Selanne. Toronto, Grand Fjord. And for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. Alright, so thank you very much for joining the break. I hope that you got good hits, and hope to see you back on next breaks.